everyone, welcome to Kids African Drum Course. Today I'm going to teach you the second class of binary calling and response exercise 2. The first beat for the caller is 4 tones. The first beat for the responder is bass, 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 bass. Now let's play it on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go! You got it? Now we'll be playing the caller beat while you respond. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go! Good. Now I'll be calling you 4 times while you respond. Then after we exchange, you call me 4 times while I respond. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, go! Good. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, go! Good. This is the end of binary calling and response exercise 2. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that next time you'll see our new videos. And also to share with your friends and families too. See you next time. Goodbye.